it's me, Tuniscia. Oh, and I'm the CEO of Blending Our Love Incorporated, international speaker, author, vlogger, and transformational coach for stepmoms. And as a result of the work that I get to do, stepmothers around the world have had mindset shifts to go from tears to triumph in order to thrive harmoniously in their blended family. Now, I don't feel sexy is something we often hear women say after having babies. To feel sexy again, you need to reestablish emotional and physical connections with your body. Did you know that you can start by finding and engaging your lovely pelvic floor muscles again? Not only will this help strengthen them, it will also reestablish the emotional and nerve connections. Finding your body confidence and your mojo is a huge part of how to put yourself back together after childbirth. It is hard to want or even enjoy sex if you don't feel sexy. Start by establishing an emotional connection by doing the MUTU System core exercises. Join 54,000 other moms who have found body confidence by using MUTU just by clicking that link below. Use the MUTU system so that you can feel like the sexy mama you truly are. And don't forget to subscribe to our channel.